Hey everyone, Steve Lockyer here, and thanks for joining. I want to just give a shout out to all those of you that have subscribed already and you're on this journey with me. Thank you so very much, and thank you for all the newcomers that are watching. Maybe this is your first video. Welcome. Today I want to do a community tour on Homestead. So Homestead is a community in the northeast part of the city of Calgary. It is to the east of our major ring road, which is Stony Trail. It is in between the exits of Country Hills Boulevard and McKnight. This community just got started recently, so about a year ago is when they broke ground and started phase 1. Currently they're on phase 3, and they have multiple phases that are coming out, because there is a vast amount of land that is available in this side. If you're wondering still maybe where this is, it's not too far from getting to number 17, which would take you out to Chestermere to the east. Homestead's going to give the homeowner the opportunity to have those beautiful, vast, and expansive prairie sky views. So you're going to get gorgeous sunrise views each and every morning. You're able to see the sun, which is often here in Calgary. So that's going to be awesome. The scenery is great. You're going to have, again, just a huge panoramic view of what's around. This community is a master plan community, and the 4 main builders in this area: Trico, Excel, Journey, and Genesis. And as I mentioned before, phase 3 is currently available. It's already open. So if you'd like to get more information, reach out to someone that you know, reach out to a realtor, or reach out to the developers or the builders so that you can get some more information about what's available. If you actually go to the Homestead community website, they actually do have maps there with lots and what's available, so you could check that out too. In terms of what's going to be available in this community, so there are 2 future school sites within the community, both public and separate, that are going to be planned for here. Also with that, there's going to be final build out, 4 playgrounds each, being 1 acre in size. There will be 3-acre community association, a 3-acre community association site. So that'll give you lots of opportunity to be able to have a lot of things to do in that community center. There's going to be a temporary cricket pitch, and that's planned for this summer, 2022, as well as an ultimate cricket pitch and soccer fields to be constructed. So that's some nice recreational opportunities. More for recreation, there's going to be a future pickleball and basketball courts available for everyone. And on top of that, there's going to be over 4 kilometers of walking pathways and connectivity to the regional pathway systems throughout Calgary. For those of you that really like the outdoors, there's a 19-acre environmental wetland with a sheltered gazebo for you to be able to just sit down and enjoy what the wildlife and what nature has to offer around. Also, 4-acre neighborhood commercial site, so lots of shopping, lots of entertainment. And even if you thought that was enough recreation, there will be drop-in sports and community events at the Genesis Center that's planned. So family and individuals will have lots to do there at that center. There's going to be year-round fun at Prairie Winds Park with picnic areas, spray parks or splash parks, zip line, and tennis courts available. If that's not enough for you, there is the Village Square Leisure Center, which is located in a community close by to Homestead here. That offers, it's a city public center that offers an indoor water park, hockey rinks, and gymnasiums. On to retail, grocery, and dining. You can again, there's a lot of shopping, not only in the community that will be available, But close by there's Sunridge Mall, so there's a huge food court there, which offers a lot of different styles and types of foods and cuisine, so that would be great. There's also a Costco, a Cineplex, and a wide variety of big box stores at the East Hills Shopping Center. So you can get your shopping fix in this area, of course, and with plenty of things to do, plenty of things to buy. There's also, just north of here, there's the 1.4 million square feet and 674 acres, which is Cross Iron Mills, one of the best shopping centers in Canada. So that's typically a retail shopping center. Right across from there is another more local shopping center there, so Horizon Mall. Just south of here is also Marlborough Mall, and that offers all-in-one shopping experience with great fast food options and lots of clothing and retail options as well. Now, for those of you that are like still going, is there anything else? Could I get some more things to do? Of course, Deerfoot City. So just off of 64, Deerfoot City is a commercial area, so it offers lots of retail, lots of fun things like iFly. And if you just go up from Deerfoot City, there is other things like big box, trampoline parks, play areas for family. For those of you wondering about healthcare, which is always an important thing, no matter for which person, there is the Peter Lougheed Center, so very close by. It's a huge healthcare center that can meet a variety of your healthcare needs. Also, there's multiple gyms and fitness centers nearby. There's a Good Life at Deerfoot City, and there are other local gyms in the area. Travel. This community is great because it's very close to the airport, or not too far of a drive from the airport. So you would be able to get there on Country Hills Boulevard, which is the exit I was just talking about before, just right off of Stony Trail. So Calgary International Airport, or the domestic airport, is very close by. Also, if you go to Saddletown or Saddle Ridge, the Saddletown LRT station is there. That is our light rail train that takes you all over Calgary, and don't forget, it's free downtown. Also, there's going to be a future transit route along 80th Avenue. So that'll be great for those of you that take the bus. Homestead, in my opinion, is ideally located. Now, you're not going to get really too many mountain views in this area, being east, and there's other communities to the west, of course, in the way. However, in terms of amenities and just a great place for families or renters to be, it is going to absolutely be well stocked to suit any family for a variety of purposes, whether it's travel, shopping, nights out, fun, entertainment, you name it. This community is very well located, and it does have lots available currently for phase 3, and there will be other phases coming out in the near future so that you could secure a lot if you so please. All right, and drop a comment below. Maybe let me know what other things you'd like to know about this community, and I can address it accordingly. With that being said, I hope you have a great day and a great rest of your week, and I will catch you on the next video.